MCQs, multiple choice questions, everyone loves them, whether students or teachers. Well, they are the most popular and widely used form of assessment all over the world. MCQs are popular as they are easy to administer, easy to score, they give a quick feedback, and they can check a wide variety of learning objectives, especially the high cognitive skills as given in Bloom's taxonomy. Hi, I'm Leena Bhasker. I'm an educator with past 22 years of experience. I love making videos related to science and education. Welcome to my channel. Well, they are short, simple and easy. But are they easy to make? Well, in this video, we are going to learn about the basic structure of a MCQ and the points to be kept in mind while designing a good MCQ test. So for that, I'll take you through my presentation and we begin with the structure of a MCQ. A MCQ has two parts. The first part is called STEM, which has a question or a problem. The second part consists of a set of alternatives or possible answers with one best answer and all other incorrect answers, which are called distractors. So, a MCQ comprises of a STEM and alternatives which need to be carefully chosen. Let's see how to frame a good MCQ. First, let's talk about the STEM. Avoid grammatical clues in a STEM. Your question STEM should be free from grammatical clues such as a, an, or singular plural. For example, in this case, the use of an in STEM gives the clue that the answer begins with a vowel. So the possible answers can be apple and oil. So in the STEM, it should be an. Avoid using negatives in a STEM. You are increasing the cognitive load and making the student confused, whereas your goal is to find out how much the student knows or acquires a particular concept. Moreover, a STEM should be framed so that you are able to answer it even without the given options. In this case, you can't answer without the options. Try keeping all options of similar length. It is human psychology to guess an option which is too long or too short, and you don't want your students to make guesses. In few cases, when not possible, keep two options long and two short. As in this case, the right answer is option D and it is too easy to guess. Use plausible distractors. The purpose of the alternatives is to distract the students so that the options should be believable and reasonable. Options that are implausible don't serve as distractors, as in this case, diaphragm and skin are not the parts of skeletal system. So a student who has some idea about the parts of skeletal system has to choose only between two options and not four. Switch the placement of right answers. Most of the MCQs have 3 or 4 options and most of the examiners or question paper setters have a tendency to put the right answer as second or third option. So after making all the questions, make sure you check the placement of right answer. Try not to use all of the above and none of the above. They reduce the accuracy of the test and serve as clues to alert learners. Here an alert learner knows that the answer is just one term. So it could be A or B, but definitely not C or D. Use options that are mutually exclusive of each other. For example, in this case, if permanent teeth appear in the age group of 6 to 12 years, then asking 4 to 8 years and 6 to 10 years as options is wrong. Do not introduce new words and terms. For example, if you haven't taught the students the word arboreal and they are familiar with other terms. So actually, this particular term doesn't act as a distractor. You are supposed to check what they know or what they have learned and not what they don't know. Thanks for watching. Hope you have learned something more and something new today.